guys, the non-Magfed expert decided to make a video on 3 things not to do when you first start playing Magfed. I think there's a lot of good tips and trick videos out there, but this one just came from personal experience, so why don't we just get into it with rule number 1. Don't overcomplicate your setup. You're going to have a lot of temptation to do a lot of customization and put all of these knickknacks, lasers, lights, scopes all over your marker just for you to get on the field to realize, wow, this thing in my hands feels like 13 pounds worth of weight, and this is not fun to run around with. Yeah, the biggest and most problematic thing I see is everyone wants to be tactical. Well, just keep it simple. You're going to have way more fun with a simple setup that actually works reliably, as opposed to some laser space age gun that you try to recreate from Halo. Trust me, I've been there.
I'm just thinking like, so that means if the Russia starts that way, they can push past. But the liver is at the side of Horrible.
Actually, we don't have a game. Hey, do that move one more time. What you gonna do? Hey. Okay. Yeah. All right, cool.
And now that you have your setup ready, hopefully you kept it simple and followed rule number 1, we can get right into rule number 2, which is very simple. Make sure your setup is ready for game day. The worst thing you could do is design something super sleek, super simple, and super reliable just to realize you forgot to put your barrel insert, so now you're getting breaks. Just to realize you didn't get a dump pouch to dump your mags in. Now you have to carry them or reload them one by one back into your pouch. And then, worst of all, maybe you brought the wrong tank, or maybe you didn't fill your tank. There's just loads of things that could go wrong, and they're all rookie mistakes that could just ruin your day. And that's not what this is about. We want to have fun out here, so please, please, know your setup, tune it well, and have it ready for game day.
Hey, I'm right behind you.
Which yellow? All yellow.
I'm low, Nico. You want to suppress them in and I'll run to the car? On our left. Alright. Alright, can you suppress the fire? Alright. Tell me when. It's hot. Where? No, you're good. Out. Hold on.
They're pushing up.
Shoot, 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 shoot! Why you run? Shoot, why you run? Oh, the FPS is too low.
And that comment brings us all the way to rule number 3. Bring enough of the right kind of ammo. I mean, seriously. If you've tuned your gun for first strikes and you shoot round balls, you're going to be shooting low FPS. You're not going to be hitting anyone. You're not going to be, you're pretty much useless. I've got, 60 rounds this game, and I'm missing 20, so now I'm down to 40. Do the math. I'm pretty much a nuisance on the field, which can be both good and bad. But you just want to be useful, so bring enough ammo and bring the right kind. It's really, really gonna help your teammates out.
Hey, here you go, Nico. I'm reloading. What you mean? cover you.
Brian, keep that mask on. What the fuck?
Hey, keep me covered. Oh, I saw it. All right. Reload max, hold up.
Yep.
All right, I'm pushing up to the red. Ready? Go, 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 go. Lock that side down. Right ahead, right ahead. All right. Under you. Good stuff, good stuff. Keep them locked down. Hey, I'm coming toward you. All right, there it is. Ha ha ha.